The Supreme Court today opened the opportunity to prepare to hear the case on 9 arguments presented before it. Iebc has been ordered to submit a copy of Book 2 of the Forms 32A together with the Forms 34As. Chief Justice Koome has ordered that some of the laws that will be considered as the case continues include the lawyers being ordered not to discuss the case until it is completed. The process of recognizing between the commissioners who are leaning on the Chebukati to defend his decision to announce the president-elect and those who are leaning on Cherera's side that Chebukati's announcement did not comply with the election laws will remain in the hands of a panel of 7 judges for the next 5 days.
It's our considered view that this court cannot deal with the issue or any dispute as to the legal representation of the Iebc as an institution in these petitions. It is not the business of the court to determine who represents the Iebc in whichever formation. The 4 commissioners are at liberty to deploy and utilize the services of Senior Counsel Paul Muite and Isa Mansour Advocate.
Legal team has sharpened their muscles to fight with their counterparts to ensure that those they represent have won the case. Paul Muite representing Iebc Commissioner Cherera, while Githu Muigai fighting to represent Chebukati. Within 14 days, the panel of judges is expected to deliver a verdict following the case of naming the presidential-elect William Ruto, whether he was elected legally or not.
We were cited, our client was cited as an interested party, and we put in responses as such. The court will take that into consideration. The decision on whether we should have filed a petition or not is not really something we can talk about at this point.
23rd of August, which was the first day plaintiffs were required to file petitions. Within 4 days, they were required to submit their service of responses, which was done on 27th of August. And on the 28th of August, less than 24 hours later, they were required to submit rejoinders and service of interlocutory application, and then later on 29th, 24 hours to respond to interlocutory applications, which then proceeded to today's 30th of August, where pretrial took place. 31st to 4th of August, the hearing of the case will take place, and on 5th of September, a panel of 7 judges led by Chief Justice Koome will give its judgment. Now it is to the judges now to decide or determine whether the elections were free and fair, with agents being given a chance to get into the servers, to get and scrutinize under supervision. For Iebc TV, I'm Odee Francis.